Hey everybody, Jonathan here, and I wanted to make this video about my Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Shop website. The website where you can buy accessories for all your Teslas and also any like clothing or apparel. So I have the Tesla all-weather mats for my Model 3. I bought them in, I believe it was in October 2018. I believe that's when I got them. And here we are in May 2019. Now, I only had to remove the mats out of my car about 2 times just to clean off some mud when it was raining over here at my house. And I got some mud in my car. So I noticed that the second time that I removed the mats, the 2 front mats in the front seats, they have some Velcro pads that are glued underneath the mats that hold it down to the floor. Now I noticed that the pads, they started peeling away from the all-weather mats, so they're held on by glue. So I just went to the Tesla customer service website. I found the email address. I'll put the email address right here on the bottom that I emailed, asking about the problem that I've been experiencing. So I emailed them. I told them, hey, you know, the Velcro pads underneath the mats are starting to peel away. Is there any possibility I could get a replacement? And I waited, I think it was almost a week. And so they didn't email me back, but they actually emailed me a return label to ship these back. Then I got a second email saying that I'm going to be getting a replacement of all of all the mats. So you can see the mats here that are on the screen. These are the new ones I just received. And then so if I show you, I'm going to show you right now what it looks like underneath my current mats and how it's peeling away. So so it's really cool that they honored that, and for how much time went by, I thought that I was just going to be out of luck and they weren't going to do anything. So it's really cool that they did that. I'm only making this video just to say that, you know, if you have any issues with any of the Tesla products besides cars, I mean, for cars, you got to take it to the Tesla service center, of course. But if you have any problems from the Tesla shop, the shop website, you know, give them a try. You know, email them, let them know, and see if they'll, you know, just replace it. You know, I don't know if they'll replace everything, but I'm just posting my experience. So I hope this video was helpful. Hit the thumbs up if it was. I really appreciate that. Please subscribe to my channel as I do have more videos coming. Thanks again for watching and have a good one.